Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Ajay Chaudhary, co-founder HCL and Chairman EPIC Foundation, Sri Krishna Kulkarni, Chairperson, Board of Governors, IIM Calcutta, Professor Sumanto Basu, Dean Development and External Relations, Professor Bhaskar Chakraborty, Dean Academic Programs, the other two Deans, Professor Piyush Mehta, Dean Faculty and Research, and Professor R. Rajesh Babu, Dean Executive Education, IIM Calcutta, Distinguished Alumni, members of the Board of Governors, faculty colleagues, students of the doctoral program, the MBA and PGDBA programs, MBA EX and PGP EX FLM programs, officers and staff of the Institute, members of the press and media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good afternoon to all of you. It is my distinct honor to welcome each one of you as we gather today to celebrate the 64th Annual Foundation Day of IIM Calcutta. I would like to mention that every year the Foundation Day lecture is delivered by a person of eminence who has made a very significant impact in his chosen field of endeavor. In the last few years, some of our distinguished chief guests to deliver the Institute's Foundation Day lectures were Sri Sudhish Venkatesh, the Chief Communications Officer and Managing Editor of the Ajim Premji Foundation, Sri Sam Srinivasan, Managing Director and CEO of the Federal Bank, Sri Pradeep Singh Kharola, IAS Officer and former Chairman and Managing Director, Air India, Jagdeep Dhankar, Honorable former Governor of West Bengal and present Vice President of India, Sri Amlok Ratan Kohli, a first batch alumnus and Honorable former Governor of Mizoram, Professor Deepesh Chakraborty, Lawrence Kimpton, Distinguished Service Professor in History at the University of Chicago, and the like. This year, we are extremely fortunate to have amongst us Dr. Ajay Chaudhary, co-founder HCL and Chairman EPIC Foundation, as the chief guest of today's event. On behalf of the Institute, I sincerely thank him for accepting our invitation to grace today's occasion as the chief guest. A few words about Dr. Chaudhary, the co-founder of HCL. He is regarded as the father of Indian hardware. He is chairman of Mission Governing Board of National Quantum Mission of India, distinguished fellow at Niti Aayog, fellow at Indian National Academy of Engineers, and member to the advisory board of India Semiconductor Mission. He continues to serve on several government committees, working towards making India the electronics hub of the world. For his pioneering contributions, he was conferred India's third highest civilian award, the Padma Bhushan, in 2011. His inspirational journey is captured in his best-selling memoir, Just Aspire, a notes on technology, entrepreneurship, and the future. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Chaudhary to grace this occasion today. IIM Calcutta, the first national level institute in the field of management education, was set up in 1961 by the Government of India in collaboration with the Sloan School of Management at MIT, USA, with the support of the State Government of West Bengal and the Ford Foundation. We celebrated our Diamond Jubilee in 2020. IIMC has come a long way from its small beginning, and today it is acknowledged as one of the best institutions not only in the country, but also in the Asia-Pacific region. The institute got the accreditation status from AACSB, AMBA, and EQUIS. With these three accreditation, we became the first Indian business school to achieve what is called and regarded as the Triple Crown in accreditation. They are accredited by all three major accreditation agencies in the world of management education. Since 2012, IIM Calcutta is also the only Indian member of SAMES, which is the Global Alliance of Leading Business Schools, multinational companies and NGOs that together offer the highly ranked SAMES Masters in International Management. The Institute continuously maintains its top international ranking. In QS MIM ranking 2025, our flagship MBA has been ranked 48 in the world. In QS Global MBA ranking 2025, our one-year MBA EX program has been ranked 65 in the world out of 340 business schools and 11 in Asia. In QS Masters in Business Analytics ranking 2025, our PG DBA program has been ranked in the 61 to 70 slot out of the 164 business schools. In FT Masters in Management ranking 2024, the flagship MBA program has been ranked 56 in the world, and so on. Apart from offering a 2-year degree in Masters in Management, Masters in Business Administration, IIM Calcutta also offers a 1-year full-time postgraduate program for executives launched in 2006, now known as MBAEX, equivalent to MBA, 1-year MBA, and a 1-year postgraduate program for executives in visionary leadership in manufacturing, launched in 2007, jointly with IIT Madras and IIT Kanpur. The postgraduate diploma in business analytics, jointly offered by IIM Calcutta, IIT Kharagpur and ISI Kolkata, aims to help shape the emerging profession of business analytics to build a career in this field. The Institute has set up several interdisciplinary centers which are involved in teaching, research and consultancy. The most recent one that we have established a couple of months back is the Madan Mohanka and Lalit Mohanka Center of Excellence in Entrepreneurship and Innovation, with a very generous fund from Mr. Madan Mohanka, an alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad. We also have some top centers doing research and teaching: Management Center for Human Values, Center for Corporate Governance, Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation, that was there for a while, Center for Development and Environment Policy, Case Research Center, and also the Financial Research and Trading Laboratory, that was also about 10-12 years back, with some support from the Government of India. Our library, the B.C. Roy Memorial Library, is one of the largest management libraries in Asia. And we take pride in continuously adding to the wonderful collection of books, not just in management, virtually in every discipline related to management. Our alumni, many of our alumni work in senior leadership positions in industry, governments and non-profit organizations in India and abroad. Many of them are in academics and are making valuable contributions in the areas of teaching, research and management consultancy. One major notable event that we have organized is a session on spiritual and ethical values in management institutions, how management institutions can provide a holistic perspective on leadership and decision making. Our Management Center for Human Values hosted a session on spiritual awakening with Padma Bhushan recipient Sri Madhukar Nath, also known as Sri M, Indian yogi, spiritual guide, orator and educationist of global repute. As we look to the future, let us remain adaptable and forward-thinking. The world is changing rapidly, and we must equip our students with the skills necessary to thrive in an ever-evolving landscape. Together, we can continue to build an institution that excels in academia and contributes meaningfully to our communities. Thank you all for being a part of this special day. Here is to our shared journey and the many milestones yet to come. Once again, my best wishes to all of you on the occasion of the celebration of our 64th Foundation Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.